Yo guys, welcome back to another Tesla update video. Today I'm going to be talking about my thoughts and what to expect next with Tesla. So if you want to know what's going to happen tomorrow with Tesla, if you're curious for what the long, or at least the midterm outlook is for Tesla, go ahead and watch this video, guys. I'm going to be going over my thoughts and what to expect next. As you can see, up 0.5% today, up almost another percent in the aftermarket due to some more news. It seems like nowadays we're just getting a lot of these, a lot of news coming in after hours and getting a lot of market movements after hours, which is not very fun for the traders and whatnot. But that's probably why the market's up right now. But what can we expect going into tomorrow, guys? As you can see on Monday, or at least Friday, we came down to this green zone of support where we made that high a little while back, May 29th. It was around 460 or 365-ish. And then, of course, Monday pre-market, we were well within this green gap at around 357-ish and then got this nice move up. So are the bulls back? Is Tesla back in bull mode? What should we expect, guys? As you can see on the daily time frame, we are starting to turn this purple zone of support. Well, it used to be support, as you can see. Now starting to turn it into a resistance, guys. This is not what the bulls want to see. These wicks above of these, the wicks being above the body candle showing resistance up above, resistance in this purple zone is not what we want to see. Ideally, the bulls do want to fill this gap that we made on Thursday, which would be a move up to 392-ish. That would show some strength, show that some of the selling pressure is dying off. So this is the bullish case right here, guys. If we do get a move up, fill that gap and start holding above this purple zone, above 390, and can consolidate above there, that would also be above that daily 90 EMA, which is currently sitting at around 387-ish. I'll show you guys. It's currently sitting at, 386. So if we can, make that move past the purple zone, start consolidating above 390, then the bulls can definitely make a rally. At least equal highs up to 415. Then we'll probably find some more resistance. That is the bull case. That is if the VIX dies down a little bit too. It's up at 27, which is just hard for the bulls. The bulls are in hiding right now, and that VIX is up so high. But if everything goes to plan for the bulls, break past 390, fill this gap, consolidate above this purple zone, that's now giving us some resistance that we could push higher. But guys, until that does happen, until we do find support above 390 above this purple zone, look what's happening with this daily 9 EMA, guys. Every time we come up to it, we get rejected. Sometimes we'll have some bull traps where we just go above for a few days and come back down, go above for a day, come back down, go above for a day, come back down. So we need to not only move past 390, move past this daily 9 EMA, which again we got rejected at today. We need to hold above that for at least 3 days. It's looking like we need at least 3 days of support, holding above that. Holding above that daily 9 EMA, guys, and then we can make that move to the upside. But until that does happen, guys, we have to expect we're in this downtrend, that we're going to continue this downtrend. So, let's go back on that 1 hour time frame, because we did have that gap up on Monday. If we do fill this gap down on Monday, let me pull up this. If we do fill this gap down and see price, at 367, that shows a lot of weakness in my opinion, and we're probably going to make a move back to the mid 300s, back in this green zone. Could see price down, even to 345-ish in the coming days, in the coming weeks. Probably take a week or two. But this is a very real possibility, guys. We definitely see price this low if we can't find support above 390 soon. This needs to happen soon, because the longer it doesn't happen, the longer that the bears are taking over, and then we're going to get this move to the downside. Okay, guys? So I can't stress this enough. I'm not going to turn bullish on the stock, not even slightly, if we can't break past 390 and hold for a few days. If that does happen, guys, we can get bullish again. But longing the stock right here, in pretty heavy resistance that was support, now turning to resistance, is probably not smart. Not financial advice. This whole video is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. This is just what I have. These are my takes on the stock. But I wouldn't long the stock until we claim support this purple zone. Not financial advice. Because until that does happen, I could see us getting this move down. I'd be surprised if this was our low, like our only or only, move into the mid 300s. I'm sure a lot of bulls are getting euphoria, thinking, yo, the bottom's in. It was that easy, I'm sure it's going to be longer than, a day or two of just bearishness, okay? Now, there's a chance that the bulls can take control. That can definitely happen. But until that does happen, bears are in control. I wouldn't be surprised if we saw a move back into the mid 300s, low 300s maybe, in the coming, week or two. Would not be surprised if we saw something like that. Retest some of these key levels that we had over here with this breakout we had, which obviously once we broke out, we didn't come back to retest many levels. So I would not be surprised if we did get that move down in the coming, days, weeks, whatever it is. But guys, if you are a bull, like getting this move down is not a bad thing, It's like you're getting cheaper prices. I don't think anyone's going to be upset about cheaper prices. The only thing you can do is get caught long the stock up here when we get that tank. All right. So for that to, for you not to get caught up there, wait for us to find support above 390. Wait for it to consolidate and show some obvious support. And if that does happen, then you could enter a long position and head higher. Not financial advice, guys, but that's just what I'm seeing. Could definitely see another move down to this green zone. I've already said that. But yeah, guys, as of right now, bears are in control. Bulls need to see above 390. If that does not happen, we could definitely get another leg to the downside. And I do post live trading updates about Tesla and Nvidia in my Discord down below. Link is in the description. Go check it out. People really seem to like it. Post about 10 updates for each stock every day. Key levels to look out for, good buying positions, important news, stuff like that. Definitely go check that out. And yeah, guys, that's about all I got for you. Catch you in the next one. Peace.